Hello everybody, what's going on? Few big updates are coming from NIO. Company sub-brand Envo has officially rolled out its 100,000 mass-produced vehicle. Now take a second to process that. Envo is the brand NIO launched to specifically conquer the mass market segment, the family market, the heart of the auto industry. And in a remarkably short period, they have hit a six-figure production number. This is not just a niche around number, folks. It's a powerful signal. So the question here is that what does hitting 100,000 units so quickly proves? Well, it proves three things. First, demand is real. The market is embracing the Envo value proposition. Second, product is scalable. NIO has successfully translated its high-end manufacturing expertise into a high-volume, cost-efficient process. Third, the dual brand strategy is working. NIO can successfully segment its market, capture premium buyers with the NIO brand and capture high volume buyers with Envo brand. This milestone is the moment the market get to say, okay, Envo bet is paying off. So to truly understand the momentum behind this 100,000 mark, we have to look at the immediate preceding data, specifically September record-breaking delivery numbers. NIO delivered a stunning record high total of 34,700 vehicles in September. Think about that volume. Now let's drill down into Envo's contribution to that success. Envo vehicles accounted for a massive 15,200 units of that September total. This shows that the brand is now essential engine of growth component of overall NIO machine. Right now we have two starts in the Envo lineup, the L90 SUV and the L60 sedan. The L90 SUV had an incredible month, delivering 10,900 units. That's over 10,000 for the second consecutive month, showing consistent, robust customer adoption in a key high margin segment. This isn't flash in the pan. This is establishing the market share. Now a brief note on the Envo L60. Its September delivery numbers of 4,249 units was slightly down from August. But here's the navigator's take. In massive scale up like this, where production lines are still optimizing and company is prioritizing stable volume growth, you will see minor month fluctuation. The key takeaway is overall trajectory. The focus is clearly on the high volume, high demand L90 right now, but the infrastructure is in the place for the L60 to ramp back up. More importantly, the NIO brand itself is soaring, with the flagship ES8 seeing its highest delivery volume since January 2019. After the launch of an updated model, the entire ecosystem is moving up. This is not a segmented win, it's company-wide victory. Here, I would say that this brand Envo is so crucial to NIO's financial narrative. It all comes down to margin and market share. NIO brand is their luxury flagship. It captures premium buyer, drive innovation, and builds the high-end products. But the Envo brand position to compete with brands like Tesla and Volkswagen in the core family segment is the ticket to true sustained scale and ultimately profit. Every Envo car sold validates the massive capital expenditure NIO has made on its energy infrastructure. This unique ecosystem is NIO's moat. It's what differentiates them from every other competitor. As Envo volume grows, the utilization rate of BAS network skyrockets, driving down the unit cost of charging and swapping, and paving a clear path to generating high margin service revenue. This milestone is a testament to operational excellence. It shows NIO has the maturity to run a premium brand and high volume brand simultaneously, capability few automakers in the history have truly mastered. So the question here is that what does this milestone mean for the investors? It means that the company has moved beyond the promise stage and is deep into the execution and validation stage. The biggest risk for any new auto company is the ability to scale. Envo hitting 100,000 units remove a significant amount of that risk. This signals three things for the stock future. First, revenue acceleration. Higher volume from a mass market brand directly translate to massive top line revenue. Second, margin expansion. Higher production scale lead to better economics of scale. The cost per vehicle drops and the margin expands. This is the financial engine turning on. Third, market leadership. NIO is not just competing, it is carving out leadership into the premium and the value focused EV segment. The market has been historically hesitant, focusing on short term delivery dips or competition. But this 100,000 unit milestone, coupled with NIO's overall record September numbers, provide irrefutable evidence that the strategy is working. The company is successfully leveraging its technological advantage, its ecosystem, and its dual brand architecture to become a dominant global player. This is a story of scale, sophistication, and inevitable success. The future of NIO and Envo is brighter than ever. They have proved that they can execute. They have proved that the demand exists, and more importantly, they are successfully migrating thousands of new drivers into an ecosystem that their competitors simply cannot match. This 100,000 car is not the finish line, it's the sound of the staggering gun for the next phase of explosive growth. So get ready for it. With that said, thank you so much for being here. See you in next one.